leaving Colombia. So doing the airport 10,000 a person, pretty cheap, pretty
You can
simple.
catch it at San Diego, just outside of San Diego Mall, or behind Hotel Nutribara.
Check out Medellin Guru, he'll help you out with that. And we'll put info, but easiest and cheapest way to get here is 10,000 pesos each. Even at a bad exchange rate, that's about $3 right now for an hour bus ride. Super simple. Way to go. Cheap tips, take the airport or bus. You get some great views as you're going up. It's 10,000 pesos a person. We're in the front seat. You have plenty of room. We've got our backpacks, our legs, our little backpacks. And then you check your luggage. Okay, so our first lounge is the VIP lounge for Avianca. It's a great view. You can see all the planes. And it's a little airport, so you can get easily to your gate. They have snacks. They got sandwiches and hot dogs, Coke, water, beer, wine, all the necessities. Okay, so we got on our first plane in true Colombian fashion. We are still loading people 6 minutes after we were supposed to take off. But like the bus drivers and taxi drivers, I think they'll make up time by just going faster. That seems to be the way. But we are on Avianca, which is one of our favorite lines. Awesome leg room. There's awesome seats. We're charging right now. I got a TV. It's pretty awesome. So we are excited. We did a one lounge in Medellin Airport. Got a sandwich, a Coke, a beer, some juice.
And mini hot dogs.
So we're curious to see what the Bogota lounge is like. Okay, so this is seriously the way to travel. We are severely sleep deprived right now. We just got 40 minutes of work done grading, free beer and good beer. A little tough to be in Colombia. Colombia just lost to Chile.
It was heartbreaking.
It was heartbreaking to be in the bar with all of them by one shot. So sad. But in terms of lounges, the El Dorado Lounge in Bogota,
damn good.
It's pretty damn good. free food and drinks. So just landed in London, still a little sleep deprived. Got some food, got a little nap. So now we have to figure out how to navigate from here to our Airbnb. But we gotta pass customs first and then find a line and a lounge and coffee. And then we'll figure out London Underground. Okay, so actually hit record button this time. So if you're doing London, you need to do the London Underground, you need an Oyster card. So if you're coming into Heathrow, ask anybody, but there's lifts down to the Underground, and you'll want to come visit the visitor center. They'll help you out, they'll get your Oyster card, load it for you, you can use your card, you can use pounds if you have them, but we just used our card. They'll give you a map with how to get where you're going. Everything you need is here. Okay, so we're now on the National Rail. They were going to transfer here to a bus. But oh, good Lord, this has been an experience. And we've given up on our night plans, so we're just going to check into the Airbnb. We're still waiting to hear back from the Airbnb.